Welcome back to Sam Official Tech. In today's world, artificial intelligence (AI) is not just a buzzword, it's transforming the way industries operate, innovate, and grow. From healthcare to finance, AI is redefining traditional processes and driving efficiency like never before. In this video, we will dive into how AI is revolutionizing various sectors, reshaping industries, and changing the way we work and live. Stay tuned to discover how AI is powering the future. Artificial intelligence is reshaping healthcare by enabling more accurate diagnoses and personalized treatments. AI-powered tools analyze medical images and patient data faster than ever, helping doctors detect diseases like cancer and heart conditions early. With the help of machine learning algorithms, AI can predict patient outcomes, suggest the best treatment plans, and even assist in robotic surgeries, making healthcare more precise and effective. The financial sector is leveraging AI to optimize processes such as risk assessment, fraud detection, and customer service. AI-powered systems can analyze large volumes of financial data in real time, detecting anomalies and preventing fraudulent activities. Robo-advisors are providing investment advice, helping users make informed financial decisions. AI also automates repetitive tasks like loan processing and account management, saving time and reducing human error. Manufacturing has seen a major transformation with the integration of AI. AI-powered robots are working alongside humans to streamline production processes. These robots can predict equipment failures before they happen, reducing downtime and increasing efficiency. AI also enables smart manufacturing by optimizing supply chains, reducing waste, and ensuring that products meet the highest quality standards, all while minimizing human intervention. The retail industry is harnessing the power of AI to offer personalized shopping experiences. From chatbots that assist customers 24/7 to AI algorithms that recommend products based on user behavior, AI is improving customer satisfaction and boosting sales. Retailers are also using AI to manage inventory, track consumer trends, and optimize pricing strategies, ensuring that products reach the right customers at the right time. AI is playing a key role in revolutionizing agriculture by enabling precision farming. AI-powered drones and sensors monitor crop health, soil conditions, and weather patterns in real time, allowing farmers to make data-driven decisions. This technology helps farmers optimize water usage, reduce pesticide application, and maximize crop yields. AI-driven machines are also being used for planting and harvesting, reducing labor costs and improving productivity. AI is transforming the transportation industry by improving traffic management and vehicle safety. AI-powered systems analyze traffic data to optimize traffic flow, reducing congestion and accidents. Self-driving cars, powered by AI algorithms, are becoming a reality, promising safer roads and more efficient transportation. AI is also being used in logistics to optimize delivery routes, reducing fuel consumption and ensuring timely deliveries. In the energy sector, AI is being used to optimize energy consumption and reduce environmental impact. AI systems analyze vast amounts of data from power grids, predicting energy demand and optimizing supply. This technology is enabling smart grids that balance energy loads more efficiently, reducing waste and saving costs. In renewable energy, AI is helping optimize the performance of wind turbines and solar panels, increasing the reliability of clean energy sources. AI is reshaping the education system by offering personalized learning experiences. AI-powered tools can assess student performance, identify areas of improvement, and tailor educational content to each learner's needs. Virtual tutors and AI-driven platforms provide on-demand assistance to students, making education more accessible and effective. AI is also streamlining administrative tasks like grading and attendance, allowing educators to focus more on teaching. AI is transforming customer service with the use of chatbots and virtual assistants. These AI-driven tools provide instant support to customers by answering queries, solving problems, and even making product recommendations. Available 24/7, AI chatbots help businesses improve customer satisfaction while reducing the need for human intervention. They are also used to analyze customer feedback, enabling companies to improve their services continuously. In the entertainment industry, AI is being used to create more immersive experiences for audiences. AI algorithms recommend movies, shows, and music based on user preferences, keeping viewers engaged. AI is also used in content creation, from generating special effects in movies to producing personalized playlists for music lovers. Moreover, virtual reality (VR) and augmented reality (AR) experiences are being enhanced with AI, providing interactive and engaging experiences. AI is revolutionizing security systems by improving threat detection and response. AI-powered surveillance systems can analyze video footage in real time, detecting suspicious behavior and alerting authorities immediately. In cybersecurity, AI algorithms can identify potential security breaches before they occur, safeguarding sensitive information. AI-driven facial recognition and biometric systems are also making physical security more robust and reliable. The legal industry is utilizing AI to automate research, streamline case analysis, and predict legal outcomes. AI-powered tools can sift through vast amounts of legal documents and case files in a fraction of the time it would take a human, helping lawyers find relevant information quickly. Predictive AI models can even estimate the likelihood of winning a case based on previous legal rulings, allowing law firms to make informed decisions. Human resources departments are benefiting from AI-driven tools that streamline recruitment and employee management processes. AI systems can analyze resumes, match candidates to job openings, and even conduct initial interviews. AI also helps HR managers assess employee performance and engagement, providing insights that help improve productivity and retention. This technology is making recruitment faster and more efficient while reducing biases in hiring. In marketing, AI is helping businesses create more effective campaigns by analyzing consumer data and predicting trends. AI tools can segment audiences, identify potential customers, and even generate personalized marketing messages. These insights allow companies to target their campaigns more precisely, improving ROI. AI is also used in content generation, enabling marketers to create engaging material faster and more efficiently. The gaming industry is embracing AI to enhance both game development and the player experience. AI algorithms create smarter, more adaptive in-game characters, making games more challenging and engaging. AI is also used to analyze player behavior, tailoring games to individual preferences. Game developers are using AI to design and test new levels and environments, speeding up the development process and delivering high-quality experiences to gamers. AI is playing a pivotal role in space exploration by analyzing data from spacecraft, satellites, and telescopes. AI systems are helping scientists identify patterns in space data, enabling the discovery of new planets, galaxies, and celestial phenomena. Autonomous space probes powered by AI can make real-time decisions, optimizing their paths and collecting valuable data from distant worlds without human intervention. The real estate industry is using AI to improve property management, marketing, and sales. AI algorithms can predict property values, identify market trends, and suggest the best times to buy or sell real estate. Virtual tours powered by AI allow potential buyers to explore properties remotely, saving time and increasing convenience. AI tools also help real estate agents manage client relationships more efficiently, ensuring better service and higher sales. Thank you for watching Sam Official Tech L. As we've explored today, AI is not just changing industries, it's revolutionizing them. From healthcare to space exploration, AI is shaping the future in ways we couldn't have imagined. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date with more exciting tech insights. Keep watching, and stay ahead of the curve with Sam Official Tech.